Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt from V-Twin Visionary, and here I have a Harley-Davidson 2-pin to USB adapter. What is that, you say? Well, you know most bikes come from the dealership with the plug for a battery charger, which is a 2-pin. This one. Well, we all know that on long rides our phones die and we need a USB charger. This one. Well, this one allows you to plug the power from your bike into a phone cord or a whatever cord you want to call it to charge your smartphone, your iPad, any other sort of USB item. Really cool stuff. It's made by Harley, so you know it's going to be good. If it breaks, you can take it back to the dealership. It's not some Amazon Prime crappy ass thing. So go check it out. Harley-Davidson dealerships around the country have them in stock, and I've used them many times with good luck.